Classics YouTube channel. We're now taking a fun little cruise on our 1962 Chevy Impala Restomod. That's right, folks, we have finally decided to upgrade one of our vehicles. This one featuring I want to say more of a maroon exterior, if we want to get into a black cherry, having the 5-spoke chrome wheels. Of course, the outside's not always the most important part of a vehicle, other than having a straight body, no bubbles or no really bad bodywork. Moving on to the interior, however, featuring a nice, I want to say, tan interior. As you can see, it is a 4-speed manual, Muncie transmission. Other than that, we have a aftermarket style, what is this called? Steering column. My apologies, brain fart. We also have a digital dash. As you can see, they have upgraded the interior to more comfortable leather. Still keeping it a bucket seat. As you can see in the back there, they still have the speaker in the center of the seat, which is definitely nice. A few other vehicles that include that are such as the Buick Riviera, mostly Impala. GM like to design a little bit with their vehicles. But let's get into the more important feature, the 6.2-liter LS3. Definitely what gives it the true power of this vehicle. Of course, as you can see, I'm going to pass all these people just because I feel like it. I mean, look at that. No hesitation. Perfect precision. As you can see, even my passenger's holding on to the ceiling because she's so afraid of my good driving. Other than that, you also have the emergency handle if you ever feel scared and don't trust your simple lap belts. Other than that, this is a pretty safe vehicle. Definitely want to take to the shows. I do suggest being careful over certain bumps because of its low profile. But other than that, it is a fun joyride. Other than that, now we're just going to get it turned around and up on the hoist, so stay tuned to see the underneath.